Did you know anything about Pepsi in Japan?
No.
It's not even the same Pepsi.
It's not?
No,
How?
apparently it's 1 billion times better.
Really?
Maybe you had this experience with Mexican Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it uses, I guess, cane sugar?
Yeah, sugar cane. People love the Mexican Coca-Cola. Anyway, around the world, it comes out a little bit different. And Coca-Cola, just like elsewhere, has been crazy, crazy dominant, even in the Japanese market. And so Pepsi has been trying all kinds of things to snag some of that market share. Not steal, earn some of that market share. And so they've been fine-tuning all the time the recipe to suit the Japanese taste buds, whatever specifically to that market might be appealing. And they claim to now be releasing the most refreshing cola ever. You know how they're going to do that? Well,
What's that?
listen to this. It's very specific. Unprecedented freshness. Achieved by using raw spices that were prepared without heating. This is said to give the cola a deeper and more vibrant taste than before. You want to give that a run for its money or what? You down for a sip or what?
I want to be refreshed.
Here are some comments. Listen to this. All of this was done based on feedback from Japanese people who said that they wanted a cola that made them feel alive again. I want that cola.
Yeah. Bring it over here.
I want a cola that makes me feel alive again. Just bing.
Start eating raw spices. Is that the sound for refreshment?
That's right. It's kind of similar to when Mario gets the mushroom and he boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You never play Mario? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 bum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah, that's the underground.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
You never played Mario?
Yeah,
Dun,
good
dun,
game.
dun, dun, dun. Dun, bum, dun, 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 dun. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
We're going to get demonetized.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I've been doing too much karaoke. Too much Coca-Roki on this one. So here's some other comments from potential Pepsi customers in Japan. I don't get why it's nama, but I want to try it. By the way, that word, I don't know how familiar you are. It can be interpreted in different ways, such as raw, fresh, and life. I wonder if it's like draft beer. That's another customer. I really like Pepsi, so I want to try this right away. Someone else says, normal Pepsi is fine. Get on my face with this. I added that last part. Anyway, we got to give this one a sip. Because we want to feel alive again.
For sure.
And it's the responsibility of our cola to do such a thing.